Oh, where's my pillow? Oh, I've seen on it. So, hey guys, hey people, hey guys, whatever you want to say, whatever I want to say, yeah. So, this is going to be a challenge called fidget spinner versus body parts. I'm sure this is going to hurt, but I'm doing it for you guys. While I'm doing it, I might get a bit bored of it just being really quiet. Just listen how quiet it is. That's how quiet it is in my room. I can literally hear nothing except people outside because my window's open. So I'm going to listen to some music while I'm doing it. I'm not going to have it really loud, but I'm going to have music on while I do it. So yeah, let's do this. It's going to be this loud. First is the finger. That didn't hurt. Next is my ear. Oh wait. Don't hurt. Ah, that one hurt. Oh god, I chopped it. Ah, it hurts. Extra foot. I'm gonna take the sock off this. Right. Ah. That one hurt the most. And I'm gonna put my sock on. I'm going to do the nose again. Now, I'm going to do it here. Teeth. Oh boy, that hurt. That one didn't hurt. What I'm going to do now is my elbow. I didn't get that, didn't go so fast, so I hurt. Go do the lip. No, that hurt. Ah. Oh, that hurt. That was hurt. That hurts. Anyway, let's get back to the challenge, shall we? Should we do it up here? We'll do it up here. We'll get closer so you guys don't say, oh, he's faking it. Oh, the fidget spinner didn't really hit him. Oh, he's faking it so much. He's such a big faker. But I'm not faking it. I'm not going to fake any challenge. Can you remember the 20p challenge? Don't know if you can see, like, Scar. Oh, bye-bye. I'm going to do it, like, somewhere over here now. It's going to hurt, I swear. Didn't hurt. Try again. We'll do it here again. Oh! That hurt. Do this here now. Can't do it with muscle. Don't hurt as much. So guys, yeah, this is the end of the video. Go check out my other video. It's going to be up shortly. So with this one, the other video that I just done is, what's it called? Oh yeah, I got fidget spinner. Just talking about stuff. It's saying England or Manchester United. Tell me what ones you guys support. And type in again. And type in this time #fidget spinner. if you do, I'll like all the comments, and I will. Oh no. And I'll put it, and I'll like record it. Hair. Because remember what I done there? So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Like I said, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, hashtag fidget spinner, or hashtag music, or hashtag Manchester United, or hashtag England, whatever you want to just do, and I didn't fake it at all today. This does hurt. So what does it hurt? Oh yeah, it especially hurt here. So and then I touched it, oh that hurt. So this was the fidget spinner versus body pat. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So yeah, leave a like and subscribe. So yeah.